Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Lovable to Supabase. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Supabase and open the official website. Log into your account or create one if you don't have it. Keep this tab open for later. Next, go to lovable.dv and sign into your account. From the dashboard, select the project you want to connect. Once inside, click on the project title at the top left, then open Settings. In Settings, find and click on Connectors. Scroll until you see the Supabase integration and click on it. Then select Connect Supabase. This will redirect you to Supabase for authorization. On the Supabase page, click Authorize Lovable and choose the correct organization or project if prompted. Click Continue to confirm access. You'll be redirected back to Lovable. Once the status shows connected, the setup is complete and ready to use. So that's basically how you can connect Lovable to Supabase. That's it for this video. Thanks.